Let me tell you about the J D Byrider experience. When I came to J D Byrider, I came here to shop, but I was actually working for one of our biggest competitors. What blew me away with the J D Byrider experience was not only how hands-on the salespeople were, but how awesome they made me feel as a customer. Our program is tailored to each and every customer to meet each and every individual need. Come on down to the lot and allow us to help you. And like I tell all of my customers now that I work at J D Byrider, I am my customer.
One of the things that sets us apart from our competitors here at J D Byrider is our service. Not only do you receive a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, but you also get free oil changes for the life of your loan.